Most of people still think that to make money online, you need to be a world-class expert or spend hours dancing in front of a camera. In today's world, do you know what the most valuable currency is? It's attention. People are drawing in information, but they have zero time. Today I am going to show you how to use other people's information to build a newsletter empire and pocket thousands of dollars a month. Every single day, millions of blogs, videos, news articles are published. The average person can't keep up. Your job is to find the 3 most valuable pieces of the information in a specific niche and deliver them in a clean, simple email. You don't need to write anything original. You are the filter. People will pay you with their attention and eventually their money, simply for saving them time. Remember, you are not a creator, you are a curator. And in 2026, curators are the one getting rich quickly. Step 1. First, you pick a niche where the money are already flowing. Think AI tools, side hustle, or crypto investing. Let's say you decide to curate the top 3 AI tools of the day. Now go to Reddit, Twitter, and tech news site. Find the 3 most viral or useful tools. Use a platform like this to put them into an email template. This takes you 30 minutes max. You just create a high value asset without writing any single blog post. Step 2. Now you need to reader and you don't need to spend a dime on ads. Take the highlight of your newsletter and turn them into 60-second shorts or reels. At the end, tell them, for more daily insight like this, join my free newsletter. When people realize you are giving them high value secret for free, they will join your list. Once you hit the 1000 quality subscriber, brand will pay you $100 to $500 per mail. Just mention their name. Once your newsletter is generating $1,000 to $2,000 monthly profit, you can keep running it or you can flip it. Head over to Flippa or acquire.com. A profitable newsletter usually sells for 2 to 3 times its annual profit. If your newsletter makes $10,000 a year, you can sell the entire business for $20,000 to $30,000 in a single transaction. That is newsletter flipping. You can start from zero and exit with a massive bag within 12 months. So getting wealthy is not about working harder, it's about understanding the system. If you want to know how to you get your first 1000 subscribers for free and which platform are the best for scaling, let me know in the comment. I will make a detailed video on subscriber growth strategy. So viewers, till then take care, tata bye bye.